So hi guys, welcome back. In this video we will see how to insert video into Google Sheet. So guys, if you want to insert the video in the Google Sheet, so it is very easy. So guys, for this, first of all, if you have the public video, so you simply upload it on the YouTube. Okay, if it is private, so you upload the video on the YouTube and put into the private unlisted, then you download. And you also use the Google Drive. So we have the two ways that we can done. So first we try with the YouTube. For this guys, like this is the video I want to paste into my sheet. So first click here, share, then copy this link. After that open Google Sheet. Okay, when the sheet is open, just click and open it, and here you see simple search playlist. This is my video. Now go here, insert, and here click on the option of link. Then guys, here this is my Android video. Okay, now it asks for paste the link, so just paste the link and apply. Now here you see it look like a link. When I hover it, so guys, here it suggests me my video. Okay, so this is the first way. And if you want to upload some private stuff, so just open Google Drive. Okay, after that sign in. Here I think I have one video here, so like this is my video and I want to put into my sheet. So just go here, click this first, share, and restricted to anyone with the link. Here the link is generated. Okay, copy the link from here, then done. Then go again here you simply search private video, simply zoom it and go for insert. Here you see the link and simply search my video, rename your video, rename, then paste link and apply. Now here when you hover, so it suggested you this is your video, you are the owner, no sense. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.